Well, I'm back. When I get asked a question, I make a video. My daughter has a Ford Escape. It's a 2017 model, and her battery went out on her key fob, and she wanted to know how to replace it. So we figured out how to replace it. So this video is just to share it with you. So here's we go. On the back of the key fob, there's a little switch right here. Just push it in, take your fingernail, and pull it right out. There's your hidden key. I may actually make a video on where the hidden key is. After that, just take your finger and just pop this apart. You'll see it just comes apart like that. Well, in this top piece, here's your battery. Now you can take a little screwdriver with your finger, whatever, fingernail if you can, and it just pops right out. Just like that. Okay, on the battery, it'll give you a number on it. This one happens to be a CR2032. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll put it up here for you. And that's all you got to do is go down to the store, pick you up another one, put it right back in. It's like that. It pops right back in the little slot. Then all you got to do is just match the two pieces back together. They just pop back together. You hear it click. Put your key back in. Push it down. And that's all there is to changing a battery in a Ford Escape Key Fob, or probably most any of the Ford products that key fob looks similar to that. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If I learn something or go somewhere, I'm going to share it with you. Till next time, catch you later.